chosen to speak at this event because I think it's a great opportunity for practitioners to exchange on what's going on the RPA market, and also to learn what we are doing in terms of achieving digital workforce at our companies. I think today's topics are highly relevant for the attendees' business because RPA is just an emerging factor for efficiency in support functions, but also in the business. Digital workforce will be a topic all over the place pretty soon, and many companies are already starting to gain first-hand experience how this works out. As Siemens, we have a long-lasting relationship with Blue Prism. We started using Blue Prism software since 2016 and integrated that globally into our robotics as a service approach at Siemens, highly successfully delivering bot as a service on a very stable and professionally managed platform for Siemens globally. Our partnership with Blue Prism is so important for us because on an ongoing and continued basis we need to ensure that we stay ahead of RPA adoption on a global level. So the partnership really provides us the opportunity to go deep into exchange regarding specific topics, but also to partner with other companies and to discuss how their application cases are working. Blue Prism has supported us very well in terms of getting first-hand technical support when we needed it, but also in terms of connecting to other companies in the area of innovation. Today's event will be a lot about how RPA will evolve into a digital workforce and how you can do that on a global level. It will be a lot about machine learning, artificial intelligence, and how to integrate that into existing RPA approaches.